Greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, cop versus cop in Jamaica. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, share, show that you care. Talking News is here. That's right. Cop versus cop in Jamaica. Somebody pulls somebody over. Who is wrong? Who is right? And I'm gonna say it right now. When you watch this video, trust me, you will know who's wrong and who's right. So that's all I gotta say. That's all my commentary. Right now, take it away.
Let me have the driver's license and documents with me. Driver, let me have the driver's license and documents.
Video everything, you know, Powell. Video everything, you know.
I don't have a problem with it.
Alright. I'm a sergeant of police.
Yeah, I don't care a damn.
And this is my driver's license. What else do you need?
Let me see your ID.
This is what TV.
Let me see your ID. Driver, I want to examine your ID.
Here it is. You can't hold on to my life. Here it is.
Where's the driver's license? Let me have the driver's license.
Yeah, but what? Here I live here.
Let
Never say assault me, you know.
What happened, man?
Never say assault me, you know, sir. This is not how we do it.
What happened?
You come out and
Driver, let me have the driver's
who
license.
you talking to?
Driver, let me have the driver's license.
You're wrong.
Alright?
Sir, you're wrong. You come out
Stop,
there.
relax.
You push me.
Just
You
relax.
run your front on me.
Relax, bro.
Everything.
Driver, let me have the driver's license.
You don't go my driver's license after what you did to me.
Driver,
After
let me
what
have the
you did
driver's
to me.
license.
After what you did to me. You're not gonna have my driver's license.
Driver.
You assaulted me. You don't identify yourself to me. You come out with a gun.
I need that when you go them by myself. You commit a breach of the road.
Did I eat your vehicle? Did I eat your vehicle? All that money to this road don't make me go through, you know. You see it? The assault.
All the money for the phone I'm going to
Why
overtake the road a corner. Why you overtaking a road a corner?
Tell you what you do. Stop. One for the offense of prosecution. You can't come out and push me.
Driver,
Throw a gun for
let me have your driver's license.
You can't shoot you with my gun too.
Driver, let me have your driver's
I'm not
license.
gonna have my driver's license. Powell, video everything, you know.
Driver,
Video everything.
let me have your driver's
And you
license.
are block the road, you know. And you are block the road. Me not block the road.
Driver.
You are block the road now.
You must have don't need to go any further with you.
You're going to go further.
You don't need to go any further with you, you know. I gave them instruction, you know. I gave them instruction. Driver, let me have the driver's license.
When you come out and you assault me, you're going to identify yourself to me. I'm a sergeant of police. Everybody should have me shoot you. And you are the road.
Hold on, you're checking me now.
This everybody should have happy. You can't use a camera
Yes,
now.
sir,
I
no.
told police you can't use a camera now.
You man,
You go out order.
listen, let me have the driver's license.
Me will not take somebody if he come to a beat. Do the proper channel. You can't come out and push me. And drag on for me.
Driver,
What is your name? What is your name?
driver, let me have your driver's license.
You have driver's
Up to
license.
now, you have not complied with one of my requests.
See you block up the road there.
I said up to now,
Hey, who need to figure this enough? I don't mind if you block up the road enough. I
Driver.
just want to block up the road.
I'm Inspector Taylor. Let me have the driver's license and documents, Inspector. Driver, said, let me have your driver's license and
Remember, say
documents,
assault me.
Inspector.
Remember, say assault me. Remember that. Remember, say assault me.
Driver, let me have your driver's license and documents. Up to now, you have not complied with any of the requests. Let me have your driver's license.
Because I know somebody.
Well, you know what it
I'm
is?
not somebody.
All right, you notice that you get my name. What is your name,
I am
Sergeant?
Sergeant Barrington Martin, sir. You're out of
From Sergeant Barrington Martin, from?
push me. You can't come out and push me and drag on for me. I'm not giving a driver's license. You're doing the wrong way, Mr. Taylor, if I say if you're inspector. And you have blocked up the road.
Sergeant!
See, you have blocked up the road there.
Sergeant!
See, you have blocked up the road there.
Sergeant!
And you have blocked up the road.
You have not complied with none of the requests that I made me of you. All right? All right. Sit down.
Remember, see, you're starting up that Taylor. You drag on for me and you push
So
me.
what to where station?
I don't know where you station.
Property
Remember where you doing
man, property man bend and maintain that building. Where station, Mr. Martin?
Remember where you doing, Mr. Taylor.
Mr. Martin, I am from the property man maintain that building. Service division. Where are you from? Mr. Martin, which division are you from? Mr. Martin, which division are you from? Sergeant Martin. Sergeant Martin, which division are you from?
Boy, take my phone from me.
Sergeant Martin, which division are you from? Sergeant Martin, which division are you from?
Bossy, you know, sir, the overtaking at the junction, right? The man come up on me. As a result, they have to pass the vehicle when they are overtaking because there would have been an accident. When we reach, where's the name?
Templar Estate.
When we reach Templar, one PNU vehicle, man, block me in at the bridge. The man come out with him gun in my hand, shot me from the car, push me around, slap me, and now when I identify myself in the mouth, I have a police car in there, give me no time to charge, you know. Saying name Inspector Taylor. Yes, he assaulted me. He pushed me from the car and drawing gun on my face. No.
Sergeant, which division are you from?
Here, I hear block up the road with the police.
Sergeant, which division are you from? Sergeant, which division are you from?
Okay, sir.
Sergeant, which division are you from?
Now I'm talking to you again now because you come out and you push me. I saw me deal with
Yo,
you.
Sergeant.
You assaulted me.
Sergeant, you know this has stopped you and you don't comply with none of the requests.
You said, if you come out and car and you come out.
Sergeant,
So I have to do.
let me see your driver's
So
license.
you're blocking up the road and you are blocking up the
No,
road.
Sergeant, I said let me see your
And you are
driver's
blocking up the
license.
road and you are blocking up the
Let me
road.
see your driver's license, Sergeant.
Keep that in your... Put that away. Put that away.
Sergeant,
You-
let me see your driver's license. I'm not a fuck, I need to see your ID.
You need to see my ID again.
Yes,
Me not
I
see
need
yours.
to see your ID.
Me not see yours. Me not see yours. And them
Sergeant,
second off, you block
I
up the
need
road.
to
See
see
police
your
vehicle
ID.
block up the road. We don't see police vehicle block up the road. Watch it. Look at.
Sergeant, I need to see your ID.
Remember, say you assaulted me, you pushed me from the vehicle, and you
Sergeant.
draw your gun from me.
Sergeant, I need to see your ID. You take out ID up to know I'm not certain if it's a legitimate ID. Let me see your ID. Alright? What's the number? 0642. What's the number?
So what? I want to talk to you. The whole guy that you assaulted me.
Yeah.
And that's what
Yep, we know who's wrong, we know who's right, and that's that. See him run. Him run. 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 Keep running. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, share, show that you care. I am Daddy Reds, and I'm the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.